How to create a trip. To create a new trip, first click the New Trip button. Enter the start date, driver and vehicle if known. Click Save to create the new trip. You can view your new trip via the trip's layout. Calendar view layout, or map view layout. You can add available jobs or stops to your trip in a variety of ways. You can drag and drop your stops to change their order, any unplanned stops appear on the map as an icon. Simply add any unplanned stops to your trip. Edit the stop date and finally allow the driver to see this trip on their Transport Angel mobile app.